As the heavy machines roar, the uncompromising power will shake the ground. Buckle up, the engine is about to take you on a thrilling journey of discovery. Roaring like a beast in the dead of winter, the TT4's 90 horsepower engine conquers massive log bundles with ease, even in the harshest conditions. Its steady, relentless pulling power guides every log smoothly onto the conveyor, leaving nothing behind. With over 100 horsepower, the engine roars as it pushes massive logs crashing into the water. They're packed tightly like a floating wall, ready to be hauled away by a tugboat on a dramatic journey through the waterways. Not just a tool, but a true revolution. Equipped with a powerful engine pushing up to 150 horsepower, the Kebag demolition machine at Ramestrasse crushes steel rails with ease. Its overwhelming force tears through concrete and metal like paper, clearing the way for a new construction era. Packing a massive engine with up to 600 horsepower, Montejo's Paladrummond isn't just a machine, it dominates the ground beneath it. This is a class of its own, built for true operators where raw power and commanding presence reign supreme. Pretty impressive moment, right? Drop a 1 in the comments if you think so too. Roaring like a wild beast, the 6 horsepower chainsaw tears into the massive tree trunk, shredding through thick wood in seconds. Every cut delivers a powerful blow, an epic showdown of man versus nature, unfolding in a display of raw force and precision. With over 200 horsepower under the hood, the excavator operated by Sabah moves with absolute precision. The bucket drops decisively, lifting heavy loads with ease, a commanding display of raw power and expert control in the heart of a brutal job site. When the situation gets toughest, the T148 rescue truck teams up with the T815 VVN 6x6 winch, powered by a massive 360 horsepower engine. Together they operate like a steel rescue force, yanking heavy-duty vehicles out of the roughest terrain with unstoppable strength. In this test of driving power, the T40 tractor stands out with its robust 50 horsepower engine, outperforming the T25 and T16. With a deep roar and steady pulling force, the T40 dominates every terrain, proving its superior class in the field. With over 400 horsepower, the rescue truck roars to life, pulling the massive Tronton truck, weighing tens of tons, out of a deep pit. The cab was flattened after a serious incident on Kodak Hill, but raw mechanical power delivered a heart-pounding rescue right down to the final moment. With a single swing of the bucket, powered by over 300 horsepower, the excavator brought Shea Stadium crashing down in an instant. Mechanical force erupted, ripping through concrete and steel like paper, an epic demolition moment packed with raw, unstoppable power. In a stunning hillside performance, HSM Forest unleashed the HSM 405 H2L, powered by a mighty 200-plus horsepower engine. The slope forwarder roared across rugged terrain, showcasing its superior climbing ability and relentless pulling power in the harsh, unforgiving forest landscape. Just as the massive steel crane began to swivel to lift the boat at Watchet Marina, its 250 horsepower engine roared, a warning shot of power about to erupt. Then, in a heart-stopping moment, the entire giant machine started to tip, freezing every eye in stunned silence.
Oh, that's not good. You can see the tracks of the corner lifted. Oh, it don't sound good, does it? But it's going up. No, that's... Ooh. No, I think they're always going to get out of the way as soon as it can, I think.
Leave comment number 1 if you find these machines a time saver.
Uh-oh. Yeah! Yeah! Uh-oh. Ooh.
The Caterpillar skid steer, packing over 70 horsepower, was trapped in 3 feet of thick mud, its tracks spinning helplessly. But then came a dramatic rescue. Raw mechanical power roared to life, pulling the machine from the swamp in a gripping display of grit and steel. In a breathtaking demolition scene, the concrete structure cracks. Then the entire giant block collapses with a roar that shakes the heavens. A final moment that is both brutal and breathtakingly spectacular. Get ready to witness an amazing machine. The Cat 308 E2 with its 65-plus horsepower engine roars, unleashing powerful bucket swings to destroy every wall of the old house. The concrete crumbles, the roof collapses in a clean and powerful display of destruction. When the job requires absolute power and durability, the Timberwolf Alpha 6 with its powerful 130 horsepower diesel engine is the ideal machine. It transports large logs through rugged terrain, working tirelessly like a warrior in the deep forest. With an engine of more than 270 horsepower, the Hitachi X400LC-1 roars like a beast as it crashes into a giant pile of rocks. The bucket decisively tosses up tons of rocks, demonstrating superior mechanical power in the midst of a challenging construction site. How to conquer giant logs in the harsh jungle terrain. The LKT-81 Turbo, with 160 horsepower engine, is the machine born for that challenge. Roaring and rolling, it pulled through 6.64 cubic inches of poplar like nothing could stop it. A machine capable of transforming the entire railway. Uralpool's Placer and Thurer PM 1000 URM is the top choice. With an engine of over 1,000 horsepower, it acts as a mobile factory, upgrading and resurfacing the trackbed with impressive precision and power. An incredible sight. In the bitter cold, the T170KTP-6.3 roars defiantly. The 150-plus horsepower diesel engine shakes the ground as it starts up, overcoming the cold to get ready to pull the heavy load. A dramatic mechanical display. Armed with Soviet-era durability, the TT4 tractor with its 120-plus horsepower engine easily handled the stressful situation. Stuck, but with the help of an 88,000-pound log truck, the heavy steel machine was pulled out with a mighty roar.
Что-то он как копанный. О, пошел. Все, достали.
Impressive. When the job requires versatility coupled with devastating power, the compact DAF-180D combined with the John Deere 333G with its 100-plus horsepower engine makes for an ideal pair. This forestry crusher easily handles vegetation, crushing small trees in a snap. It can only be called spectacular. A giant maple tree stump, seemingly unmovable, was completely subdued by a 6-horsepower chainsaw. The machine roared, the blade cut deeply, and in a split second, the entire root ball was blown away, neatly falling back into the hole. With a powerful diesel engine of more than 160 horsepower, the Fiat Alice 14B bulldozer rushed forward, roaring like a beast of steel. The bulldozer blade lowered, pressed firmly against the dry tree trunk, and after just a few thrusts, the dead tree was violently blown away. In the ice and mud, the real power is revealed. Timberjack 810B with an engine of over 120 horsepower rushes into the wet winter forest. Tracks tear through mud and snow, pulling heavy logs as if they were weightless, an unstoppable machine. When it comes to uprooting a massive root system, the FH20R is the leader. With over 200 horsepower, this stump harvester digs deep into the ground, roars loudly, and then rips the stump out of the ground with a powerful, decisive burst. Though aged, the 230 Timberjack skidder still delivers formidable power with its 150-plus horsepower engine. This forestry beast hauls massive hardwood logs across rugged terrain with ease, proving itself as a top-tier choice for large-scale logging, where reliability and raw strength are everything. In the world of heavy-duty forestry machines, Seco Boomversorging unleashes a true beast. Its high-powered stump grinder, paired with a 300 to 400 horsepower tractor, tears through stumps, big and small. With a 5-meter hydraulic arm, it delivers crushing precision, raw strength, and an unforgettable display of forestry power. When an entire building needs to be torn down, the power comes from a top-notch machine. The Cat 349E excavator from AFDcom, equipped with an engine of more than 400 horsepower, charged in like a beast tearing at its prey. The bucket tore apart chunks of concrete, destroying the steel structure in a breathtaking moment. Wow, now that's a seriously impressive machine. The Case WX185 with over 170 horsepower slices through thick asphalt like butter, grinding it into manageable chunks. Every move is sharp, swift, and efficient, ready to load up and take on the next challenge without missing a beat. With over 300 horsepower under the hood, the Liebherr excavator roars into the old house like a raging beast. Bricks shatter and fly with each swing of the bucket, a demolition scene that's fierce, decisive, and packed with jaw-dropping power. I can't help but marvel at the power of the Fendt 724 Vario, boasting over 240 horsepower. Outfitted with a snow and hail sweeper, it charges down icy roads, spreading salt and clearing the surface with precision. A true winter warrior, strong, steady, and built for the storm. If you're just as captivated by the power and intensity of these machines, don't hesitate. Drop a 1 in the comments below. The job requires both power and absolute precision, and the Volvo L180H is the perfect choice. With an engine of more than 330 horsepower, this wheel loader drives piles and stacks goods in the wood processing plant like performing a powerful mechanical dance. Exciting and dramatic scene. Ursus C360C4011 roars through the Merlot forest, using its 50-plus horsepower engine to pull a heavy load of timber. The wheels sink deep into the mud, but the unwavering power helps the entire convoy move forward meter by meter with determination.
Odejdź, zbyt odejdzie.
Stuck in the muddy swamp, the excavator with an engine of more than 200 horsepower refused to give in. The hydraulic arm lowered, pressed firmly against the ground. Each push and pull of the machine body freed itself in a spectacular rescue by its own power. When it comes to professional logging, nothing beats the power of the Volvo FH16 timber with its 750 horsepower engine. Combined with the Palfinger Epsilon M12L crane, this machine unloads logs at the sawmill quickly, accurately, and with power. How do you maintain subway tracks with near-perfect precision? The answer is the Lorem SBC 2402, powered by over 1,000 horsepower. This colossal machine operates like a mobile factory, grinding, cleaning, and restoring rails deep underground with unmatched efficiency and impressive performance. A heart-stopping moment. The Charlot excavator, powered by over 200 horsepower, loses balance while descending a slope and tips over. The engine roars, dirt and rocks fly. Raw mechanical power pushed to its limits in a sudden, unforgiving twist no one saw coming. The Cat 336 excavator, armed with over 300 horsepower, roars to life as its bucket effortlessly lifts an oversized multi-ton boulder. In a tense moment, the dump truck shudders under the weight as the rock drops in, a powerful and precise display of heavy-duty coordination. If these machines leave you in awe of their power and precision, drop a 1 in the comments to let us know you're just as impressed. Oh no. The truck, outfitted with massive crawler tracks, growls and fights for every inch on a slick, treacherous slope. The incline is dangerously steep, but this steel beast powers forward with relentless determination, refusing to surrender to the brutal terrain beneath it. With over 300 horsepower under the hood, the Cat bulldozer charges into the rotting wooden house like a furious steel beast. Its blade drops with precision and force, flattening the entire structure in seconds. A fast, fierce, and uncompromising display of demolition power. A masterclass in precision at Pattaya, the tractor, packing over 150 horsepower, gracefully yet firmly guides the large boat to shore. With steady traction and controlled pulling force, Every movement is calculated to the meter, turning a routine docking into a mesmerizing display of mechanical finesse. When it comes to sheer power in the mining world, the Komatsu 980E stands in a league of its own. With over 3,500 horsepower under the hood, this colossal haul truck unloads its payload in slow, commanding movements, so powerful they make the very ground tremble. In a tense moment, the excavator with an engine of more than 200 horsepower slowly moved up to the truck bed. Roaring powerfully, the crawler tracks gripped the ramp. Each movement was precise to the centimeter, a loading scene full of technique and mechanical power. A serious accident unfolds as the Caterpillar excavator, packing over 200 horsepower, suddenly plunges into a deep pit at the job site. Within moments, 2 excavators and a bulldozer roar into action, launching a high-stakes mechanical rescue, tense, powerful, and packed with drama. Have you ever witnessed the incredible power of a chainsaw cutting through giant storm-toppled tree stumps? With a 6-horsepower motor, the blade screeches, cutting deep into the wood in a mesmerizing display of speed, power, and precision. Wow, a breathtaking sight as the giant dump truck with an engine of over 600 horsepower is loaded with flammable coal. The truck bed shakes with each dump. Coal dust rises up. Every operation must be quick, precise, and extremely careful to avoid disaster. What an exciting performance. The Komatsu dump truck tackles the heavy task with a huge rock hanging precariously in the bed. The powerful engine roars. The giant wheels grip the ground tightly. Each lift, turn, and unloading exudes the ultimate mechanical power. Ultimate mechanical power. Ultimate mechanical.
All right, are you ready for the journey of moving these cows to their new farm in Brazil? With engines ranging from 200 to 400 horsepower, the boat moves steadily and safely, easily transporting the herd to their new home. This heavy-duty truck is a massive machine, built to conquer ultra-heavy and oversized loads. With a powerful engine of up to 600 horsepower, it effortlessly hauls hundreds of tons across rugged roads and steep hills, ensuring stable performance and absolute safety. But that's not all. The 2010 MAN Lions Regio, with a 400 horsepower diesel engine and a weight of nearly 39,680 pounds, is now preparing for dismantling. Once a symbol of power and outstanding performance, this machine will be taken apart piece by piece, marking the end of a legend on the long roads before entering the recycling process. The Sani 240 HD with 240 horsepower is showcasing its outstanding power while performing rock unloading tasks in the mountains. With its high adaptability, this machine operates steadily and durably, ready to face any challenge on the job site.
तो नहीं मैं ऐसे ही कर रहा हूँ वीडियो बना। शाबाश अबू शाबाश। वीडियो चालू ही करने में दी हुआ कबल्ला है बिच ते क्रॉप करना पौनी थोड़ी। वाह वाह।
Equipped with a long, sturdy crane arm and an extremely powerful engine, the crane has the ability to lift and lower super heavy objects with high precision. Its main task is to lift and move massive industrial pipes in steel mills or large-scale industrial facilities, ensuring safety and efficiency with every operation. The Hitachi Zaxxas 280 LC3 with a 197 horsepower engine delivers stable power and reliable performance on all types of terrain. It operates through an advanced hydraulic system, enabling smooth and precise control of the arm and bucket. The Erie Steam Shovel 1 powered by a 200 horsepower engine, is a symbol of strength in the heavy industry. This machine not only boosts mining and construction efficiency, but also shortens project timelines, setting a new standard for large-scale projects. Next, we have the Komatsu WA-808, one of the giant wheel loaders, equipped with a SAE-J 1995 engine producing 854 horsepower and exceptional load-bearing capacity. With its large bucket design and powerful hydraulic system, this machine can easily lift and move massive rocks weighing tens of tons. Are you ready to witness the Star XD off-road the road monster, the dominator of all terrains? Equipped with a powerful 700 horsepower engine and an intelligent control system, the Star XD off-road delivers stable towing, exceptional performance, and the ability to conquer the toughest challenges on any road. With the combination of the Komatsu PC 8000 excavator and the Caterpillar 797 F truck, creating an efficient mining process. With its massive bucket and exceptional payload capacity, these two machines optimize time, enhance performance, and reduce costs in large-scale mining projects. Precise temperature control becomes a key factor in preventing any potential risks. Equipped with engines ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 horsepower, the hydraulic clamshell port crane is dubbed the Giant Monster. With its powerful engine and optimized design, this hydraulic clamshell crane is commonly used in seaports or large construction sites to load and unload heavy cargo such as coal, metal ores, or bulk construction materials. the extraordinary power of the Letourneau L2350, where technology and size combine to conquer every challenge in mining. With up to 2,300 horsepower and the ability to move massive loads of up to 72 tons per bucket, this machine is fully capable of handling the toughest tasks in the harshest mining environments.
I'm pretty tired, but I bet I can.
Equipped with a 2,700 horsepower engine and a 320-ton payload capacity, the Komatsu 930E easily conquers tough terrain. Its electric drive system ensures smooth operation and reduces engine wear. It truly is a legend of power and durability. It's no coincidence that the Marcep Intruder 6X6 is called the Swamp Monster, right? If you're impressed by the power and terrain conquering abilities of these heavy-duty trucks, don't forget to leave a number 1 in the comments. Oh wow. The bitumen starts to boil due to the remaining water in the tank. At this point, the 350 horsepower engine of the pumping system must run at full capacity to stabilize the temperature and maintain safety during transport. I'm truly stunned by the sight of the massive John Deere 350 excavator slowly crushing a car at the scrapyard. Steel shatters, glass bursts, and each powerful press showcases the absolute strength of this machine weighing tons. When mechanical power meets an old target, the result is truly spectacular. The Liebherr 621-wheeled excavator, with its advanced hydraulic system and powerful engine, effortlessly crushes each wall of the old house. A worthy investment for superior performance and durability. An impressive combination of the Mannesmann Demag H185S hydraulic shovel and the Caterpillar 777D truck creates a powerful and efficient rock and soil excavation scene. Each bucket of earth is dumped precisely into the truck bed, showcasing the incredible power and accuracy of this dynamic duo. An impressive sight as Franz Bracht KG's CC 3800 Superlift crawler crane unloads a 678,000-pound transformer from the barge. This colossal unloading operation is part of a heavy-duty project, transporting 4 large transformers to a substation in Hamburg, demonstrating exceptional strength and precision. As the work enters a crucial phase, machinery installs pointed stakes with soil nails, each stake firmly driven into the ground. Immediately, water begins to flow out, proving the efficiency and precision of the process. Have you ever seen an excavator tear down an entire house on the street? Demolishing Kodak is a prime example. With its immense power, the giant excavator slowly brings the house down as chunks of concrete shatter, creating a truly impressive and top-tier spectacle. The skill required for transporting the world's largest oversized truck on narrow roads is incredibly dangerous. With its massive load, it performs the task flawlessly, each step moving steadily, creating a tense and truly impressive spectacle. CMI Transport is hauling a convoy of Pete Equipment Cat 657 scraper trucks, each massive vehicle lining up in succession, creating a powerful and impressive sight. These giant machines roll steadily down the road, ready to face any transport challenge that comes their way. An impressive sight as powerful machinery and engines operate on the Tapajos River, Itaituba, PA. The massive ferry, equipped with a powerful engine, glides across the vast waters, carrying trucks and heavy equipment, showcasing unmatched strength in challenging conditions. That is massive, and they're moving at an incredible speed. Like a train on the ground, but much more precise. Doolin's heavy haul fleet is transporting 2 Komatsu mining dump trucks to the Pilbara region, creating a powerful and impressive sight. Oh no. A 60-foot, $3 million yacht suddenly rolls off the trailer, sending shockwaves through everyone nearby. The hull tilts slightly, and the wheels screech against the pavement, creating a tense moment between luxury technology and unexpected danger.
Like it's leaning. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
A fierce fire breaks out at the forestry machine in Vikaholm, completely engulfing the heavy machinery in a sea of flames and thick black smoke. Rescue teams arrive swiftly, working tirelessly to control the blaze and prevent it from spreading to the nearby forest. Drop a 1 in the comments if you have thoughts on the most effective firefighting methods. As everything suddenly erupts in flames, the scene at 262 Gregory Avenue, NJ becomes absolutely breathtaking. A fierce truck fire rages, with thick black smoke billowing across the area. The Passaic Fire Department arrives immediately, deploying hoses and specialized equipment, working in perfect sync to control the blaze. It's truly spectacular to witness the demolition of a building by the massive Liebherr machine. Its steel arm stretches out, tearing through walls and shattering concrete frames under unstoppable force. Each swing brings it one step closer to a clear, open ground. Get ready, because you're about to step into the high-stakes world of operators handling world-class machinery. They transport drilling rigs across rugged terrain, navigating steep slopes with pinpoint precision thanks to their incredible skills and specialized training. When it comes to true power across all terrains, nothing compares to the Oshkosh M1070 A08 WD off-road heavy haul. With its massive 8 wheels, 500 horsepower, and 1,500 pound-feet of torque, this machine that once transported the Abrams M1 tank is the definition of relentless strength. Before it lies a harsh challenge, but the MTZ 80 Kusar Kagar Palasa doesn't flinch. Despite the dusty, gravel-strewn road, the machine growls powerfully as it struggles to pull the heavy steel bars. After a while, the wheels spin in vain, but eventually, it pulls the vehicle free from its struggle. Operating a crane in tight spaces is a challenge that demands absolute precision. The sight of transporting massive metal structures through the city, with perfect coordination between Doniz and Sidik Hik Gandara Sensasawan to the port, is truly impressive. If this video left you amazed, don't forget to drop a 1 in the comments. Watch these machines in action. The heavy equipment is transporting a massive transformer from Wellington to Palm Beach Port. The sturdy machines navigate through tough terrain, ensuring absolute safety for this crucial cargo, delivering exceptional efficiency. It's unbelievable. The 528,000-pound transformer is on its way up the valley. 3 trucks are lined up, pulling the massive machine through rugged roads. Each truck is powerful and sturdy, overcoming the tough terrain challenges with ease. On the construction site, the LTM 11200NX Yamagata WK crane stretches powerfully, moving along the construction road. Controlled with precision, this massive machine is preparing for the next wind turbine installation, a crucial step in the renewable energy project. Three trucks lie crushed under the immense weight, having completed over 540,000 miles on their engines and transmissions. These limping vehicles are now nothing more than piles of scrap metal, flattened and reflecting the devastation and unimaginable power of the machinery. Let's witness the demolition of a bunker in Bonn, an incredible testament to advanced engineering in harsh conditions. Heavy machinery works relentlessly, breaking through layer after layer of solid concrete, showcasing the superior strength of modern technology. Wow, the SpaceX rocket, after 7 successful flights, is being carefully transported. The massive machine glides along the roads, capturing the attention of everyone around. Every step it takes demonstrates its power and cutting-edge technology. It's amazing to witness technology advancing so powerfully. The newly launched XT Mobile Shear with its optimized design makes scrap handling more efficient than ever. Thanks to its compact size, the machine is compatible with smaller transport vehicles, offering flexibility and space-saving benefits in material handling. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Hitachi Zaxis 470 LCH, a powerful demolition machine, is on task tearing down the Bauknecht-Schorndorf water vortex. With incredible strength and precision, the machine effortlessly destroys the old structure, making a challenging job efficient and quick. You can feel the immense power of the 1984 Caterpillar 992C as it works tirelessly, loading clay onto the massive 777F trucks weighing 220,000 pounds. It's truly an impressive sight. Leave a comment and follow all the exciting mining action. It's truly an impressive sight as a 440,000-pound crane lifts a 44,000-pound crane onto the beam. The power and precision of this machine make the task seem effortless, completing a challenging job with perfect coordination between heavy equipment. Can you believe it? The final building at Second is being demolished, and the massive Cat machine is tearing through concrete slabs. Each powerful strike causes the old house to gradually disappear, leaving behind a completely new space ready for transformation. When mechanical power is pushed to the limit, the Cat 345CL demolition excavator roars as it charges into the concrete building, large chunks shattering under its steel arm. This is a true challenge, demanding absolute precision and the mighty force of this heavy-duty machine. It's hard to believe when witnessing the demolition of a bridge that stood for years without any steel reinforcement in the concrete. Heavy machinery effortlessly crushes each structural block, the concrete crumbling like sand, revealing the weakness of a structure that seemed so solid. To demolish an abandoned smokestack, The massive crane hoisted the excavator into the air, suspending it high above the ground. Witnessing this, I couldn't help but exclaim, "Wow." The power and precision of it all is truly overwhelming and hard to believe. If you need a machine that works reliably on any terrain, the CAT 340 is the perfect choice. This high-reach excavator is demolishing a 5-story office building, its powerful arms stretching out, effortlessly tearing through each concrete block, showcasing absolute strength. This is truly an exciting move through rugged mountains, as the 441,000-pound tracked crane, Hitachi Sumitomo SEX 2003 C5, operates with impressive power and stability. A big thank you to the brilliant minds who created this magnificent mechanical masterpiece. The tonneau-column construction machine is being carefully unloaded from the trailer, with each detail being lowered with precision. With its impressive self-propulsion capabilities, the machine moves with agility and power, ready for complex construction tasks. A reliable piece of equipment for any job site. Have you ever witnessed such an impressive sight? The trailer, loaded with massive tires, backs into the staging area, ready for transport. This scene will leave you in awe of the power and precision of the technology. Drop a 1 in the comments if you love these exciting journeys. And this Debarker Revoir WD 1400 is a living testament to modern technology in the wood processing industry. With its powerful bark peeling capabilities, the machine operates with precision and efficiency, quickly removing the bark and producing clean, high-quality wood products. The Samokvalov wood splitter operates with excellent efficiency using a sharp blade system to quickly and accurately split large logs into smaller pieces. This machine boosts work productivity, ensuring high efficiency in the wood processing industry. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're excited about these machines. Have you ever imagined a wood cutting machine that's so powerful and efficient? The Lesserub sawmill, with its robust gear system, allows 4 operators to work simultaneously. This machine cuts wood quickly and accurately, while ensuring complete safety thanks to its specialized design and protective features. The design of Afacor is truly ingenious. They've developed a special wood wrapping film that makes storing firewood on pallets much easier to handle. These pallets not only make transportation more convenient, but also allow for neat stacking, saving space efficiently. The Spaltfix K Vario sawmill is an extremely efficient mobile firewood processing machine. With its ability to cut wood quickly and precisely, the machine boosts productivity in the firewood processing process. Its flexible mobile design allows for easy movement between different areas, providing maximum convenience for the user. The industrial firewood sawdust factory operates with a closed and efficient process. Modern machinery, from wood saws to briquette presses, plays a key role in cutting, splitting, and pressing firewood into compact blocks. Each step is carried out with precision, resulting in high-quality firewood products ready to meet industrial and household needs. If you're excited by these thrilling scenes, don't forget to leave a comment with the number 1. Have you ever seen such a powerful machine? At Ust-Ilimsk LPK, the giant loader operates like a true beast, grabbing each heavy log quickly and accurately. Its incredible efficiency makes the entire process smooth and impressive. Are you looking for a powerful wood clearing machine? The CBI 6800 CT Land Clear is the perfect choice. With its immense crushing power, it effortlessly handles large trunks and dense branches in an instant. This is the ideal machine for large-scale clearing tasks. It truly is a legend. The LP49 silently hauls wood through deep forests, undeterred by harsh weather and rugged terrain. With its enduring power and optimized design, this machine continues to operate smoothly, becoming a formidable symbol in the logging industry. Check out the skills on display here. The impressive power of the TT4 is clearly evident as this powerful tractor easily pulls the KAMAZ 4310 across tough terrain. Every movement is precise, showcasing the remarkable operational ability and durability of this machine in all conditions. Oh my, look at this massive truck. Powered by a strong winch, it's loading each log with precision and efficiency. Every movement of the winch is powerful, helping the truck continue its wood transportation work with incredible speed and stability. Check out this classic woodcutter, a powerful, rugged machine that's truly impressive. With its long blade and 80-level cutting capacity, it takes 2 men to lift and saw through massive logs. The sharpness and strength of this machine are absolutely astonishing. All right, let's talk serious machinery. The John Deere 1270E harvester is cutting through large pine trees with each powerful and precise cut. Every slice is a testament to the machine's strength and incredible accuracy, creating a truly impressive and captivating sight. With just a handheld chainsaw, this logging machine delivers incredible performance deep in the forest. Designed specifically for professionals, it makes tree felling fast, precise, and extremely safe, even in the harshest terrain conditions. Impressive from the very first moment. The T659 Kenworth slowly but powerfully navigates sharp bends on the treacherous mountainous terrain. Each turn of the wheel is a display of the driver's admirable skill, showcasing the perfect combination of machine power and expert craftsmanship. You can't take your eyes off this moment. The 527-track tractor roars with power, inching the improperly loaded Oshkosh M1070 truck through difficult terrain. The coordination between the machine's strength and the operator's skill has made it possible to tackle this challenging situation. Incredible performance. The crane operates powerfully, swiveling smoothly as it loads a dump truck with timber. The engine's roar echoes and the heavy logs are lifted with ease, showcasing the perfect combination of technique, strength, and precision. True skill in action. The Kamaz Rex 6x6 is stuck, unable to rise on its own in the treacherous terrain. Just then, the MTZ appears like a hero, its engine roaring, wheels spinning and pulling with force, rescuing the massive truck in a powerful and dramatic performance. Don't hesitate. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're impressed by this rescue. A scene full of power and precision. The crane operates smoothly, securely hooking each log, lifting it off the ground, and gently rotating it to load onto the truck. The roar of the engine blends with the movement of the machinery, creating an impressive labor scene. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that log. A massive oak log is being cut with the Holtzforma G888. The engine roars with power as the saw blade smoothly glides through the thick wood. The saw demonstrates exceptional cutting performance, strong, precise, and incredibly efficient. It's amazing to witness the transformation right before your eyes. The Lasco Rolly 10 screw cone splitter roars as it twists deep into the large log, splitting it into smaller pieces. Each powerful turn brings us one step closer to efficient, quick, and impressive firewood processing. A wood cutting system that operates with power and precision. The Eucalyptus Blue Gum 35 horsepower gas-powered saw, combined with a lift system, cleaning disc and feed ring, runs smoothly and efficiently. Meanwhile, the 60cc saw with a piston lift handles each log swiftly, seamlessly, and effectively. It's amazing to witness the transformation right before your eyes. The M300 grinder roars fiercely, its grinding blade spinning rapidly, swallowing whole branches, shrubs, and tree trunks. If you're impressed by these machines, don't hesitate to leave a comment with the number 1. Felling an oak tree by dismantling it piece by piece is a task that requires skill and solid experience. The handheld chainsaw roars as its blade digs deep into each massive branch. Every precise cut is a perfect blend of machine power and the skilled hands of the craftsman. technology and nature blend perfectly. The Nisala 555C with the Volvo 145 chassis becomes the heart of modern forestry. The engine roars deep within the forest. The machine arm moves with agility, processing timber swiftly and efficiently. It's truly spectacular to witness such a seamless collaboration between nature and human technology. Don't let its size fool you. The Bugnot BFTP grinder is handling this massive stump like a true monster. Though it's not the biggest machine, its power and performance far exceed expectations, crushing every obstacle with incredible speed and precision. The timber transport truck roars powerfully as it moves through narrow, densely populated roads. The truck, loaded with heavy logs, rolls steadily, navigating through challenging turns. The engine's roar echoes, with strong traction, overcoming every obstacle in its path. Check out the ultimate logging duo. The Peterson 5710C and 5710D horizontal grinders with powerful tracks work in unison, roaring across the forest floor. With their powerful engines and sharp blades, they slice through wood, creating an impressive, strong, and efficient mechanical performance. It's a true marvel of engineering. The Komatsu 901XC combined with the C93 cutting head effortlessly handles large tree trunks. The powerful engine roars through the deep forest, while the mechanical arm operates smoothly, cutting, gripping, and processing each log with impressive precision and efficiency. Wow, the TT4 is truly a beast as it struggles to pull the timber trailer out of the muddy path. The engine roars fiercely, mud and dirt flying everywhere with the track spinning in an effort to conquer the harsh terrain. Pure strength facing nature, an unrelenting battle. Hauling massive oak logs on site, the LKT-81 Turbo roars powerfully through the deep forest. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, it represents a breakthrough for lumberjacks working in remote areas, where machinery has become indispensable and human strength can't keep up. Incredible. The stump puller works in an amazing way. Mounted on the 330 excavator, the cutting head spins powerfully, gripping tight and ripping each large stump from the ground. The engine roars, with rocks and dirt flying, creating a scene full of power and impact. Have you ever wondered how a rough log transforms into smooth, usable lumber? The Steel MS 881, the most powerful chainsaw in the world, is the answer. In harsh logging conditions, the mighty engine runs smoothly, and the sharp blade effortlessly cuts through large tree trunks.
Beauty!
I can't take my eyes off this scene. The oversized truck carrying the world's largest heavy equipment powers through treacherous terrain. Every skilled maneuver showcases the extreme danger of the transport, turning the task into a battle with nature itself.
सही शो लग गई चलो चलो चलो
Indeed, it's truly astonishing to witness such finesse. The skill in operating heavy equipment in such a dangerous situation is impressive. The excavator got stuck in the mud, but thanks to expert precision, the technicians quickly installed heavy-duty rescue tracks, replaced the track sprocket, and resolved the issue efficiently. The sight of this machinery and flawless accuracy makes everything seem possible. entire dealership is being demolished to make way for an Audi showroom, the machine powerfully crushes each concrete slab, turning the chaotic scene into an impressive technological display. Drop a number 1 in the comments if this video left you amazed. Your support fuels our creativity. An impressive sight as the excavator uses its powerful clamps to dismantle end-of-life vehicles, ELVs, breaking down each part. The strong clamps tear through steel, stripping away fragments, creating an efficient and powerful recycling process. A powerful journey unfolds right before your eyes. You're not just a spectator, you're the one behind the wheel. A Caterpillar D, 11R, 11R carry dozer, and D11T simultaneously strip away the top layer of the coal seam, creating a majestic, mighty, and precise scene. A thunderous roar echoes as the massive Kubota slams into the old shack. The entire structure shakes, with chunks of wall crumbling under the machine's sheer power. Kubota's presence is unforgettable, a jaw-dropping scene that leaves a lasting impression. You can't help but be amazed by its sheer power. The John Deere 748 GII dual arch grapple skidder roars to life, tearing through massive logs with unmatched strength. Its towering wheels and smooth operating skid system show off incredible starting power and performance, even in the harshest conditions. The precise movements and stable hydraulic system of the machine make quick work of demolishing the fragile structure. With its immense power, The Vitias icebreaker demonstrates absolute dominance, effortlessly tearing through any obstacle and showcasing its strength in every motion. Drop a number 1 in the comments if you love these powerful machines. Oh, truly spectacular. Watching the machine with its sharp teeth sink deep into the ground, lifting an entire tree stump with ease and moving it smoothly. The process is carried out with such precision, causing no harm to the life of the tree, showcasing the incredible power and accuracy of the machinery. An impressive display of skill under harsh conditions. 2 powerful trucks work in perfect harmony, transporting a massive heavy load together. The strength and durability of the machines make the job seem effortless, despite the daunting challenges they face. At the coal mine that's been burning for years, a Volvo truck loaded with heavy black coal rumbles through the thick, smoky haze. Smoldering flames rise from deep underground, creating a fierce scene that looks like an angry volcano ready to erupt.
Bakala. Layat.
A perfect approach as the Gutman convoy maneuvers a 100-foot-long, 45,000-pound wind turbine column. The massive vehicle glides slowly through a tight turn, every movement precisely calculated, a true display of top-tier driving skill. The slippery surface turns the field into a brutal battleground. The K700 roars as it fights for traction, while the John Deere 8420 stubbornly holds its ground. The two giants wrestle in the mud, delivering a powerful, intense showdown that's as thrilling as it is fierce. How would you feel in a high-stress moment like that? Don't hesitate. Drop a comment and share your thoughts with us. In the midst of brutal freezing weather, the Kirovets suddenly broke through a thin layer of ice in a snow-covered quarry. An excavator rushed in, trying to pull it out of the icy surface. What do you think? Is the situation looking any better? You're standing in front of the Hitachi X8000, the largest hydraulic excavator ever built by Hitachi, and one of the most powerful mining machines on the planet. With two massive engines delivering nearly 4,000 horsepower, the EX8000 is built to run non-stop, even in the harshest mining conditions. The coal mine is ablaze, with fierce flames flickering across the red earth. Blazing hot coal is being hauled through a mud-covered truck, making the scene even more haunting. Fire-powered coal mining paints a powerful, gritty picture of raw intensity and challenge. Ponce Ergo is a powerful forestry machine, with a harvester head that easily handles even the largest tree trunks. The intuitive and responsive control system ensures efficient operation over long periods. The sturdy frame and powerful engine guarantee stable performance on complex terrain, making it a reliable choice for any logging task. But that's not all. We have the feller buncher, the giant tree cutter of the forest. With its exceptional power and precise working capability, the feller buncher is not just a forestry machine, it's also a symbol of efficiency and speed in the timber industry. tree might not seem like a big deal, think again because it's a potential hazard just waiting to trip you up. In an extremely dangerous situation, just before the massive tree fell, the skilled professional expertly guided the saw blade to make a deep horizontal cut through the trunk. Finally, the giant tree succumbed to the sharp blade and came down safely. Nicknamed the Snow Monster, the TT4 tractor boasts exceptional power with a 130 horsepower engine and a maximum load capacity of 10 tons. This machine operates efficiently on snow up to 1.5 meters deep, featuring a robust track system for superior traction and a steady speed of 5.7 kilometers per hour, ensuring reliable productivity on even the harshest terrains.
Что-то он как копанный. Поставили. Давай, родимый.
Oh my gosh. The vertical bandsaw is a specialized machine in the woodworking industry designed to process large tree trunks with high precision. It is typically equipped with an electric motor ranging from 15 to 50 horsepower and features a sharp bandsaw blade with thicknesses ranging from 0.9 to 1.5 millimeters, providing powerful and stable cutting performance. Cutting down a tree is no easy task, especially when it's near high voltage power lines. It requires the skill and expertise of professionals. If the tree falls in the wrong direction, the consequences can be unpredictable. In such situations, safety must always be the top priority. The machine is equipped with a powerful hydraulic arm and large wood grapple, enabling it to securely hold and move heavy logs with high precision. Its large, deep tread tires provide optimal traction on muddy terrain, ensuring stability throughout the operation. let's explore the CNC machine, an automated cutting machine with absolute precision. Whether it's metal or wood, the CNC machine transforms complex designs into exquisite products with just a few programming steps, ensuring high performance and time efficiency. The tree trunk is securely fastened with high-strength straps wrapped around it to ensure safety and minimize damage during the towing process. Let's wait and see how the next impressive moment unfolds. In harsh winter conditions, the Valmet 890.3, with a 450 horsepower engine and a 6x6 drive system, demonstrates exceptional power as it moves across rugged, snowy terrain. Equipped with an 8-meter crane and a precise hydraulic system, it efficiently lifts and lowers 1.5-ton logs, neatly stacking them onto a 20-ton trailer. The Tiger Cat F195/85 is a specialized forestry machine that optimizes the loading and transportation of timber on rugged terrain. Its long and powerful hydraulic arm provides substantial lifting force, combined with a sturdy wood grapple, ensuring a firm grip and the ability to move heavy logs. With enduring power and optimal design, this machine not only conquers harsh terrain, but also boosts efficiency in every mining task. The powerful engine provides exceptional towing capability, while the sturdy steel frame ensures it can withstand heavy pressure. Next up, we have the Peterbilt 379 Drag Race, a renowned heavy-duty truck that's not just a symbol of power, but also a formidable speed machine on the drag strip. It's equipped with a powerful engine, typically a Cummins X15 or Caterpillar C15, delivering horsepower ranging from 600 to 1,200, depending on the configuration and customizations. With its rugged durability and cutting-edge technology, the Logset 6F is more than just a machine. It's a reliable companion on the toughest terrains. The engine delivers powerful traction, ensuring the ability to climb steep slopes and navigate through mud or slippery rocks, even while carrying loads of up to 5.1 tons. Are you ready to witness the thrilling horsepower showdown between Koga and Vincent Couture? Don't forget to drop a 1 in the comments along with your prediction on who will take the win. The hydraulic wood grapple arm of the Caterpillar 950 GC allows for precise gripping, lifting, and moving of large logs, optimizing the process of loading wood onto trucks quickly. The powerful Caterpillar C7 1-acert engine with 225 horsepower enables the machine to easily lift loads of up to 5.5 tons. The industrial wood sawing system uses high-powered, sharp saw blades that spin at high speeds to cut logs into precise boards or beams. The conveyor belt automatically moves the wood through multiple cutting stages, ensuring the process is continuous, fast, and safe, while optimizing productivity and material usage. Unbelievable. How can this log truck wheelie, carrying so many tons of wood, still balance like that? The hickory wood splitter is the perfect combination of power and performance. Equipped with a 42-ton cylinder and a 48 GPM hydraulic system, the machine ensures the quick and efficient handling of massive logs. Even in harsh weather conditions, when the entire forest is covered in snow, the Coyote 35 horsepower tractor continues to work tirelessly. With a 35 horsepower engine and weighing 5,511 pounds, the Coyote 35 GP is the ideal choice for hauling wood through challenging terrain, even in extreme conditions. The work process begins when the crane with its flexible grab head clamps lifts and arranges large logs onto the trailer. The combination of the tractor and crane optimizes the process of gathering and transporting wood, saving time and reducing manual labor. The LogMax 4000T, combined with the TrueCut saw and Ecolog 560E, is a powerful wood-cutting system with a 200 horsepower diesel engine. This equipment delivers outstanding wood-cutting performance, making it ideal for forestry work, especially in harsh conditions. In that case, we can't overlook the bulldozer, a powerful machine designed to conquer the harshest mountain terrains. With an engine power of up to 300 to 500 horsepower, it provides enduring strength to handle tough tasks such as grading soil and rock, building roads on slopes, and supporting rescue operations in emergencies like wildfires. Behold the outstanding power of the 500 horsepower truck, weighing 160 pounds, a high-performance timber transport machine. With the ability to carry dozens of tons of wood and navigate rugged terrain, it optimizes time, saves costs, and ensures a smooth transportation process. If you're impressed by the extraordinary power of these machines, don't forget to like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Felling massive, decades-old trees is no easy task. It requires a professional, combined with modern equipment and skilled techniques. Each cut must be calculated precisely to ensure safety and efficiency, transforming large trunks into neatly cut logs in the blink of an eye. Oh wow! The hydraulic log splitter is a powerful device designed to quickly and efficiently split large logs into smaller pieces, ideal for heating purposes or wood processing. Oh my goodness. The truck carrying 80 tons of wood is struggling to get across the cracked snow-covered road, with each wheel seemingly on the verge of sinking into an abyss. Even though it's equipped with a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the massive load makes every meter of movement a tense battle against the harsh forces of nature.
Давай, давай, молодец. О, сила. Так.
Compact yet powerful. This mini saw packs an impressive punch, easily handling large logs without any obstacles. Today, let's explore the highway monster, the Scania heavy-duty truck with a powerful 770 horsepower engine ready to conquer any rugged road. Not just a transport vehicle, the Scania is a symbol of power, durability, and outstanding performance, playing a crucial role in the forestry industry. Regarded as a king, the Ponce Scorpion King is truly a machine that conquers every forest. Equipped with a Mercedes-Benz OM 936 engine delivering 286 horsepower, 210 kilowatts, the Ponce Scorpion King efficiently handles tasks such as cutting, processing, and loading wood. Its 360 degrees rotating cabin and flexible crane help optimize productivity and minimize environmental impact. Oh my gosh.
Date January 17. The house.
The Kiravetz. K700 is performing the task of uprooting a large tree stump with its powerful winch system. When the engine starts, the strong pulling force from the winch slowly lifts and pulls the stump out of the ground, clearing space for land reclamation or preparation for planting.
Коралма е трактора кора. Чии въжето.
Explore the power of the HTZ 1200 Plus, a modern wood-cutting machine with sharp, high-speed spinning saw blades that cut through logs smoothly and precisely. The log is securely fixed and automatically pushed into the saw blade via the conveyor system and wood clamp. Don't worry anymore. With specialized machinery for stump removal, every task becomes easy, ensuring your area stays clean and safe without any concerns. The TurboSaw RT 3400 is an impressive top-of-the-line rotary saw attachment from Doherty Forestry Manufacturing, perfect for a skid steer. With its flexible rotation from within, it easily trims branches and cuts down fallen trees. Equipped with a powerful engine and saw blade, the RT 3400 operates only on skid steers with a flow rate of 21 gallons per minute or higher. Clearing invasive trees like red cedar or mesquite has never been easier. Built with durability and the ability to pull heavy loads, the winch helps reduce labor, increase productivity, and save time, delivering high economic efficiency. With a 200 horsepower engine and weighing 5,000 pounds, the winch easily handles all types of terrain and load capacities. In the midst of the deep forest, the skidder and timber truck are stuck in a challenging situation. The tow rope is taut, wheels spinning in the muddy terrain, as both massive machines struggle to break free from this complex entanglement.
But we heard something snap back there when we were, and then about 3 foot shoved it backwards. But it didn't hurt the truck or skidder at all. Just got tangled up, all tight. The mud flap's still good. The big tires come.
Imagine standing in the middle of a wood world, where giant machines work relentlessly. Raw timber is fed into the saw, then precisely trimmed and planed. The sound of the saw whirring, sawdust flying, creates a bustling work atmosphere. The final product is high-quality wooden boards ready for construction projects, furniture manufacturing, and many other applications. Introducing the Uniforest Profi Forestry Winch, with continuous pulling force that provides consistent pulling power across the entire work area. The thinner and longer cable allows the use of a smaller tractor while still ensuring exceptional performance. The lightweight cable enhances productivity, enables faster timber harvesting, and reduces fatigue for the operator. Combined with a conveyor system and sharp blades, it quickly grinds wood into fine chips, which are then directed into a container through a flexible discharge tube. The combination of power, speed, and durability effectively meets the demands of large-scale wood processing projects. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off the powerful Kmenavu Pasavu Pilau in action. Equipped with a sharp blade and advanced technology, the machine cuts through each tree trunk like a knife gliding through butter. Each cut is perfect and smooth, turning timber harvesting into an art form. You can't overlook the All-Road, a powerful wood-cutting machine equipped with a 400 horsepower engine and weighing 44,092.4 pounds. With its impressive power, it easily handles massive logs, cutting and grinding them into smaller pieces quickly and efficiently. You'll definitely be amazed as you witness the power and perseverance of the TAF 657 working on the Carpathian Mountains in Romania. Under the scorching sun, this machine shows no signs of slowing down. With its mighty engine, the TAF 657 can conquer treacherous terrain, climb steep slopes, and pull heavy logs without any difficulty. This is truly a tireless machine. The top timber truck in the US is a symbol of cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance. With a powerful engine, durable drivetrain, and high-load chassis, it moves agilely across rough terrain, ensuring maximum stability and safety in all working conditions. The Dirty South version of the heavy-duty timber truck stands out not only for its powerful engine, but also for its ability to conquer muddy and harsh terrain. Equipped with a robust engine, strong suspension system, and high-load tires, these trucks ensure the safe and efficient transport of massive logs. This is truly a testament to durability and exceptional performance in the forestry industry.
Hey, guys.
LKT-81 Turbo, a specialized forestry tractor known for its powerful performance in complex mountainous terrain. The rubber-clad track tires enhance traction, reducing slipping on muddy ground. With a 150-200 horsepower engine, it provides stable and flexible pulling power for heavy timber, while the front blade helps clear obstacles, making the movement path more efficient. Have you ever seen a machine as powerful as the Wallenstein FX85? Leave a 1 in the comments and it will amaze you. Next, we have the Morbark 5048X, a powerful industrial wood grinder designed for large-scale wood processing projects. Equipped with a high-powered engine of up to 1,200 horsepower, the machine is capable of quickly and efficiently processing large logs and branches.
10-minute loads, 28 tons. Virginia Custom Denim and shipping.
Despite the harshest conditions, YPC Transport successfully completed the job at McDonald Brook with the help of heavy-duty trucks, moving tons of timber safely and without any difficulties. This is the 48C, a product from the East, and let me be clear, forget about those weak splitters. This beast, with its sharp cutting blade, can slice through steel. Wood in, firewood out, boom, it's that simple. Don't be the last one struggling with that old machine when you can own this power. Oh my God, unbelievable. The Cat 990 unloads wood in a display of raw power and madness. The giant machine works relentlessly, its steel muscles handling each timber block like a whirlwind. Truly a mechanical marvel. Don't hesitate. Drop a #1 comment if you're totally impressed by this machine. A new device for transporting excavators is now officially in action. Have you ever thought about this tool? Two pairs of wheels are mounted behind the tracks, along with a solid support arm resting on the truck bed, creating an incredibly efficient and innovative transportation system. Truly, the skills are top-notch. The scene couldn't be more impressive as the Caterpillar D9G excavator starts up, and with precision, it begins unloading with powerful strokes. Each scoop showcases the durability and incredible control of the operator.